Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. So in order to do this, first you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's click on it. From here find the files that you want to unpack, and for me it's right here. There's a pictures.rar. Now let's click on it, then click on this arrow pointing up. You can change the designation where the files will be unpacked by clicking on the browse. So choose the designation now. Change any of these options if you want, and then click on OK. Now let's navigate to the folder that we've just unpacked these files into. And they're right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.